Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to deposit funds into Quotex using Binance in the easiest and safest way. First, make sure you have USDT in your Binance account. If not, you can buy it through Binance P2P. In Quotex, go to deposit section and choose BEP20 since it usually has zero fees. Enter the amount you want to deposit, then copy the wallet address or scan the QR code provided by Codex. Next, open Binance, go to Wallets, select USDT, tap Withdraw, and choose Send via Crypto Network. Paste the Codex address, select the BEP20 network, enter the same amount shown on Codex, and confirm the transaction. Always double check the address and network before sending. The transfer normally takes 1 to 2 minutes, and your funds will automatically appear in your Codex account. That's it, a quick, easy, and low cost way to deposit from Binance to Codex. Thanks for watching.